Stevia is a zero-calorie sweetener from the stevia leaf. Its tiny leaves add sweetness to all our favorite things. But donuts aren't supposed to be green, and leaves don't dissolve in coffee. So we turn those little leaves into the sweetest part of Truvia Original Sweetener. Zero-calorie granules of sweetness you can use just like sugar. First, we take the sweetness and the best tasting parts of the stevia leaf and extract their sweet flavor. But stevia leaf extract is about 200 times sweeter than sugar, so a little goes a long way. Then, to balance the sweetness, we add erythritol, a less sweet sugar alcohol that can be found in grapes, pears, and melons. Our erythritol is made through a fermentation process like beer, yogurt, and cheese. Finally, we add a special recipe of natural flavors to create great tasting and zero-calorie sweetness that looks, feels, and tastes like sugar. Truvia calorie-free sweetness extracted from the stevia leaf.